Urhulumente ubatyityimbisele umnwe esithi ixesha labo liphelile. Aba baqhankqalazi baseKuruman bathintela abafundi ekuyeni ezikolweni. Kule nyanga iphelileyo eBhayi abahlali bavale izikolo beqhankqalaza befuna ootishala. Isehlo esinje siphindile kwakhona eNtshona Kapa. Ngoku urhulumente uthi uza kuthatha amanyathelo ngakubani othintela imfundo ebantwaneni.
Criminal cases had been opened against people who were alleged to be stopping learners from going to school. I'm also aware that in the Western Cape, the MEC also had opened criminal charges against people blocking kids in the school. So indeed, we will pursue criminal charges against people, stop children from going to school.
Sekuziinyanga abafundi baseKuruman bengasalibeki esikolweni.
There are more than 500 matriculants in Kuruman. They've run out of time. We're starting exams in 38 days. There are lots of things that were supposed to have happened in between, which they would have missed. So we've agreed with the province that they will continue to prepare and teach them in preparation for the March, but they won't write these exams.
Nangona urhulumente ebatyityimbisele umnwe abo baqhankqalazayo, bona bamile kwelokuba izikhalazo zabo zezokwenyani. Ndingusibongile Mkanempolweni, ePitoli.